Lucy Miliamina. I'm your tutor about the distance between 2 points. This topic is really easy. This is just a matter of small common sense and your skills to substitute. We all know that the distance between 2 points are the length of a line segment connecting them can be determined when we know the coordinates of the endpoints. If a line is drawn from P1 parallel to the x-axis and point 2 parallel to the y-axis, these two lines will intersect at a point Q x sub 2 minus y sub 1. And this forming a right triangle. Point 1 to Q and Q point 2. Now let us apply the Pythagorean theorem to angle point 1 Q and point 2. We have the absolute value of point 1, point 2 squared equals the distance absolute value point 1 Q plus the distance absolute value Q point 2 squared. But the distance point 1 Q equals x sub 2 minus x sub 1 and the distance Q point 2 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Substituting this into equation 1, we have absolute value point 1 point 2 squared equals absolute value x sub 2 minus x sub 1 and absolute value y sub 2 minus y sub 1, or absolute value point 1 point 2 equals the square root of absolute value x sub 2 minus x sub 1 plus absolute value y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Is customarily written in the form the distance absolute value point 1 point 2 equals the square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Since absolute value x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared equals the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared and absolute value of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared equals the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Because it defines the undirected distance between 2 points, point 1 and point 2, in the plane. It also denotes the length of the line segment point 1 and point 2. In using the distance formula, it makes no difference which of the two given points is denoted by point 1 and which is denoted by point 2. Now let us answer this example number 1. Find the distance between the points A, 3, 2 and B, 5, 4. First, you can draw a Cartesian plane and plot the problem. The point A, 3, 2, located at the first quadrant. You are going to count 1, 2, 3, and 2 going to the y-axis. 1, 2, and here are the point A. And B, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and going to the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here your point B. Now you can plot the A and B. After you plot, you can solve the problem. This is the formula. The distance AB equals the absolute value quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Now the formula, the distance AB equals the square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. The x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is 5, 3 plus the y squared minus y sub 1, 4, 2 squared. The distance the x sub 2 minus x sub 1, 5 minus 3. And y sub 2 minus y sub 1, 4 minus 2. Then 5 minus 3, 2. And 4 minus 2, 2. Then 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 2, 4. Then you can add this one. 4 plus 4, 8. Equals the square root of 8, 2.4. The distance between A and B equals to the square root of 2. I'll give you another example. Find the distance between the point A, negative 2, 1, and B, negative 5 and 5. The point A and B is located at the second quadrant because of the negative sign. Find the distance between the point A, negative 2 and 1, and B, negative 5 and 5. The point A and B is located at the second quadrant because of the sign positive and negative. The point A, you are going to count from right to the left. 1, 2, and 1 going to the y-axis. 1. And here are the point A. And the B, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And going to the y-axis, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are the point B. And you are going to plot a point A and B. And now you can solve the problem. The formula, the distance A and B is equal to the formula, the distance A and B equals the square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. And the x sub 2 minus x sub 1, negative 5 minus negative 2, and the y sub 2 minus y sub 1, 5 minus 4. Then, if the sign the same, negative, you can change it in the positive. 5 plus 2 equals negative 3, and 5 minus 1, 4, then 4 times 4, 16. Negative 3 times 3, 9, then 4 times 4, 16. Then 9 plus 16, 25. Then square root of 25, 5. The distance between A and B equals 5. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned a lot from me. Again, I'm Mary Joyce Milamina. Bye-bye.